Little Thor. It's little Thor. Hi, buddy. Grand rising and blessings from little Thor. Little buddy, little buddy, little buddy, right before I go to work. Little buddy, little buddy. Little buddy. Hope everybody's having a blessed and beautiful day. Find the things that bring you joy, like this little face. You look like you had another fight, buddy. Could you just stay over here and stop chasing the ladies? I'll keep you safe. Poor guy. Have a blessed and beautiful day. Please be the light. Shine it bright. And I hope to see you all in the next one. Hi, Auntie Amy. I know the friends that watch Little Thor. Have a blessed day. Bye for now.